So this side, ma'am.
Let me read the letter. I am writing to bring to your attention the severe noise pollution issue in Anjuna and surrounding areas. Despite numerous attempts to address this concern, little to no action has been taken by the authorities, resulting in continued suffering for the local residents, particularly the students and the elders. With the upcoming long weekend, especially during Independence Day, Raksha Bandhan, and it goes on and on and on, all the amche events चालूच असतात. I urge the authorities to take immediate and strict action against clubs, pubs and shacks that are violating noise pollution regulations by playing loud music. While I demand the action be initiated around the year, police need to maintain strict vigil during the upcoming long weekend from August 14 onwards for Independence Day, Raksha Bandhan and this. Additionally, I implore the deployment of police personnel at critical points and habitual offender clubs to ensure immediate enforcement action against them. The persistence of this noise pollution matter has significantly impacted the quality of life for the affected residents, especially for the elderly and the students. Hence, I urge prompt and decisive action to sort out this issue. Thank you for your attention to this matter, and I look forward to a swift resolution. कित्याक हा आमी आमदार जाल्ल्याक या आमच्या बायलांक विचार हांगा हो पीआय नासलो आमचो आदलो पीआय आसलो पंचायत बॉडीक आपोवन त्या एक क्लब आहा ते त्यांच्या ओनराक आपोवन मीटिंग घेतलेली हांगा तुजे हॉलान आनी तांकां सांगलेले सी वी आर ऑल्सो इनटू रेस्टॉरंट्स आमचे हे सगळे लोक ट्युरिजमाचेर जगतात बट दॅट डज नॉट मीन यू नो दीस रात इतले लाऊड म्युझिक की त्यांच्या घराची दारां जोनेलां व्हायब्रेट जातात घरांत जाणटी लोक आहात स्टुडंट्स आहात द म्युझिक स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम एक आताच पळयलें 4 AM टू नेक्स्ट डे 10-11 AM म्हणल्यार फुल नायट आनी नोर कांयच एक्शन जायना कांयच आमी आमचो स्टेट ट्युरिजमाचेर जगता आमचे जे येतात ते ट्युरिस्ट तांकां थोडे तरी एंटरटेनमेंट जाय till 10 o'clock music is okay and as per pollution control regulation till 65 decibels I am till 10 o'clock from 6 AM till 10 PM is this rule but it goes on and on and on आमच्या सरकाराकडे क्लब पॉलिसी अजूनही येऊन ना that is another आम्ही असेंब्लीन उलोव करीत आहात की क्लब पॉलिसी म्हणून घालात कित्याक क्लब पॉलिसी घालची कित्याक हे सरपंच भरला आमचे वॉर्ड मेंबरांक भरल्यात तेंच्या कडल्यान हे जे रेस्टॉरंट वाले आहा ते बार एंड रेस्टॉरंटाचे लायसन्स घेतात आणि तुसोर क्लबा चलयतात सो आमी पंचायती कडेन जेन्ना विचारतात वो लोक जेन्ना तांकां विचारतात तेन्ना ते म्हणटात आमी क्लबाची हें दिल्या काय म्हणटात लायसन्स आमी दिला बार एंड रेस्टॉरंट आणि त्या बार एंड रेस्टॉरंटाच्या नावान तुसोर दीस रात एंड टुडे आयच्या रातचे सांगून चालू जातले आणि आमी हे पीआय कडेन उलयले कलेक्टरा कडेन वचून तांकां लास्ट इयर घेवन गेल्ले उगडे सांग म्हाका even to the extent of going to the collector but nothing is being done and this year we are going to be no more this आम्ही हाय कोर्टाच्या हितून दारार वचून बसलेली only चलो see we are not against music you put on the music तेही आमचे भाव जे कोणते तरी बारीक बिझनेस करतात ते पूण 10 o'clock after 10 o'clock the music should be for listening pleasure म्हणल्यार कितें स्लो हे करपाचे आनी you know understood no after 10 o'clock it goes on and our CM has to take initiative to make this club policy. आमच्या पंचायतीकूय कळोंक जाय बाबा आपूण लायसन दिता ते क्लबाक दिता काय बार एंड रेस्टॉरंटाक दिता. माय क्लासिक एक्झाम्पल इज आसागांव ते रुंबा काय झुंबा येयल्ले पळय ते थंयसरूय पंचायती कडेन तेणी हें घेतलें कितें तें बार एंड रेस्टॉरंट लायसन्स आनी चालू करपाक आणले थंयसर क्लब म्हूण आयकलां. मागीर लोक सगळो रस्त्यार येवन मागीर हांवें त्या लोकांक व्हेले हांगा म्हणजे आमच्या TCP मिनिस्टरा कडेन. आय टूक देम एंड द TCP दीस वॉज विड्रॉन द क्लियरन्स. मागीर ते CMाकूय मेवले एंड इट वॉज विथ द हेल्प ऑफ TCP मिनिस्टर एंड CM दॅट क्लब दीस वॉज विड्रॉन म्हणून आमच्या आसागांव. बट हांगा कितें जाता चड करून आमच्या वागातोर एरिया कितें जाता जेन्ना ती रेस्टॉरंटां म्हण तूं दे आर इन आयसोलेटेड प्लेस आमच्या लोकांक त्रास जायना. बट वागातोर स्पेशली आनी आमच्या थंयसर पेट्रोल पंपा कडेन ते थंयसर whatever these people will talk our residents will talk speak now. Bagator is a residential area. दीस रात एक विकेंड आयकूंक जाता पूण दीस आनी रात त्यांच्या आरोग्याचेर तांकां तेंचे हेल्थ एफेक्ट जाता. आमकां खबर आहा आमचेच लोक थंयसर बिझनेस करतात नाजाल्यार तेणी रेंटाक दिलात ते कोण रेंटाक घेतात दे टेक अस फॉर ग्रांटेड. And this year we will not allow this thing to go on. After 10 o'clock, you put your music slow or आणि एक ऑप्शन दिल्ले. आता हे कितें जे आमचे कितें आहा आमच्या लोकलांनी हांकां खूब जाणांक रेंटाकूय दिल्ले आहा. And those who have taken it on rent, the outsiders, I am pleading to them. बाबा तुमच्या कडेन कसली तरी सिस्टम आमी वयतात भायल्या गांवांनी आनी हेडफोन्स असतात. हेडफोन्स इफ यू वॉन्ट टू पुट युअर म्युझिक ऑन हेडफोन घालात तांकां तो सिस्टम घालात आनी आख्खी रात नाचात. आमच्या लोकांक त्रास काय प्रॉब्लेम ना. पूण तुमी तुमच्या ट्युरिस्टांक तुमच्या आय मीन तुमच्या शेकार येयल्ले तुमच्या रेस्टॉरंटाचेर येयल्ले तांकां तें घालात हेडफोन सिस्टम आणि let them enjoy at what volume because we know the volume त्या टुरिस्टान त्या हेडफोनाचेर adjust करूंक जाता आपल्याक कितलो लावड जाय तो. that system is there everywhere. So invest a little more in that system आणि ते तुझ्या हितून कोण ते प्रिमायसिसान कोण येतात तुझ्या शेकान येतात तुझ्या रेस्टॉरंटान येतात तांकां आफ्टर 10 o'clock तुका म्युझिक स्लो करूंक नाका. स्लो करूंकूच जाय एज पर रूल पूण तुका आनी इल्लें एंटरटेनमेंट करूंक जाय जाल्यार ते हेडफोन घालात. आमी गेल्यात भायल्या गांवांनी आमी वयतात आमी पळयतात दॅट हेडफोन हॅज अ लिटल रिमोट हाऊ मच दॅट पर्सन वॉन्ट्स टू पुट द वॉल्यूम हाय and dance, let them dance. Our people have no problem, but our people have problem when the music goes on beyond 10 o'clock and it goes on at this their heart rate increases. ती जाणटी तेंच्या घरान भुरग्यांक इस्कॉल हे करिना घरातले जोनेला आणि दारा वायब्रेट जातात राव. आणि I am telling you this time I will not take this for this because these people, I am their representative. Along with the panchayat, I will sit with these people on the steps of the High Court. And amka don't take us for granted. Put little money more, invest in your proper sound system with that headphones and dance to glory. But this will not be tolerated. This will not be tolerated this year because the health of my people comes first for me. आणि हेंकाय रिक्वेस्ट करता माझा सरपंच हा हांगा आणि वॉर्ड मेंबर हा तुमकां खबर हा की कोण क्लबां कोण रेस्टॉरंटां हे रेस्टॉरंट आणि बार एंड रेस्टॉरंटाच्या नावान क्लब चलयतात तेंची तुमी रिन्यूअल करिनाकात. माय रिक्वेस्ट my request, it's been going on and on. Last year हांगा घेतलेली त्या ग्राउंडाचेर मीटिंग, मागीर हांगा घेतली, there is no action. आणि म्हाका PIन आयज आयज राती साकून ते चालू जाता म्युझिक, तुझ्या पुलीस आसलेले ते म्हाका आत्ता म्हाका हे करून दी. Tell me where your police will be deployed. I don't want my ladies to take out some candle march and रातची बावडी आंगा तुयसोत भोंवताली गे last year. I feel pity for them. ती पळय मरे कितें नागाले तेंका काम ना. Night march, that is their right, but don't make them do it. I want your police deployment from tonight. हुई आसतले. I want the plane now and I'm not moving from here till I get your plane. आणि ना हुंयच्या पळय तीन फोन मारतात. तू हुंयचो नंबर तुजो चालू उरतलो तो सांग म्हाका.
हांव आसतलो हांगा. I will be there.
ना it is become a joke.
Madam,
it is become a joke.
My staff will be there in Bagator. My staff will be there in Anjuna. It will be there in Asagaon. And it will be there.
नंबर सांग लोकांनी हुंय कोणाक मारपाचो हुंयच्या मोबायलार हुंयच्या हेजेर कॉल.
Same PI number. Last 27.
ना आक्को नंबर सांग.
7875756027. And हांव आसतलो हांगा. I will be here.
See, it becomes, I am not, तुम बाबा neo PI. To go additional charge, I have nothing against you, but my people are suffering.
No,
and understood.
I will see that it is stopped at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, and let them put it slow.
No, slow.
See that even before 10 o'clock, they keep a certain decimal because the problem is the exams were going on, and I've been complaining even to the Anjuna police station and 112. So please see that they keep a certain decimal.
No, after 10 o'clock, forget decimal, it will be.
Yeah, even before 10 o'clock, there should be certain decimal. They blast the music. Even we, we have a prayer. We, Theos muntat. So when we make a prayer, not possible. Those houses to
listen. As per rule, it is 65 decibels.
But it is 100 men.
Yeah, so let them monitor.
Yes.
So 5 o'clock they start.
But anyway, we don't want music after 10.
Yeah.
No, after 10 I
the
will
thing,
stop.
we agree after 10.
The thing is, it is not before 10 and after 10. The thing is that you have to install the noise monitoring station. If you don't have the noise monitoring station, shut down the place. This is the important thing. This has already been given by the court. It has already been given by the court. If they don't have a noise monitoring station, you shut down the place.
My question to you is this: these people, okay, they are police inspectors here. You have come before. You have spoken to the police inspectors before. The problem is with the CM because he has come. He has promised people that he will stop, and it has not stopped. So if the CM cannot stop, how will this poor police inspector stop?
We will bang the doors of the High Court. I'm telling you.
So Goa doesn't have a government.
Goa has a government.
High Court is not our government, though.
Listen, if police don't take action now, this year we will go. If we think the PI concerned, it is the PI. It is the PI of the concerned PI. स्थानिक PI असता तेजे ड्युटी ती तो करिना काम तेंका खबर हा कितें हे आहा ते आमी हाय कोर्टा कोडे पासून वयतली बिकॉज
पोलीस स्टेशनार मिटींग जालो पब्लीक मिटींग जालो तरी बंद जायना गव्हर्मेंटान हायकोर्टान नोटिफिकेशन लागले धा उपरांत हे सगळे बंद जावपाक जाय तरी हे बंद जायना म्हणजे तुम्ही तर सरकारान आसा सध्या आणि सरकाराचे एक आमदार पुलीस स्टेशनार येता आणि हे बंद करा म्हणटा अजून बंद जायना नो एक मिनिट खंय तरी ही सरकाराकूच लज अशें म्हणा येता पूण हेका लागून तुमच्या प्रश्नार कितें आसतलें हें तुमी आतां सांगलें पूण हे बंद जायना हेच्या फाटल्यान खंय तरी एक मोठ्या प्रमाणान पुलिशेक म्हणा एक आमदाराक म्हणटा अथवा पंचायतीक खंय तरी मोठ्या प्रमाणात हप्तो वयता काय कितें हो एक प्रश्नचिन्ह निर्माण जाता कित्याक बंद जायना कितें दिसता तुमकां
बाबा कोणाक खंयचो हप्तो वयता ते आमकां खबर ना पूण हांव सांगपाक येयला आय एम कन्सर्न अबाउट द हेल्थ ऑफ माय पीपल एंड इफ दिस कॅनॉट द PI इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल हांव हांगा PI कडेन येयला पळय हांवें हे कितें तें इनवर्ड आतां म्हाज्या भुरग्याक धाडला कलेक्टराकूय ही लेटर वयतले व्हॉट्सएपार हांव तिका फॉरवर्ड करतलें इनवर्ड आनी तिका तिचे कडेन उलयताले डेप्युटी कलेक्टर थंयसरूय इनवर्ड वयतलो मागीर एसपी इनवर्ड वयतलो आनी डीवायएसपी is the same letter will be inverted at all these places and but one who is responsible is the Stanik PI from here. Understood, no? He has given the mobile number. Whoever has not taken, again he will repeat it.
I will be here only at the police station.
आणि आमका ते device P कोडे आणि collector कोडे आणि याचे कोडे वचपाक इनाका. My ladies have gone, banged the door at everyone. And this year we want to put certain things. Like 2 वर्सां पयले वर्सा आमकां कोंगना दुसऱ्या वर्सा आमी मिटींग घेतल्यो हे केले सगळ्यांक सांगले somewhere something is wrong. पूण ह्या वर्सा जावपाक दिवचे ना. It's starting, the music is starting from, when the season is starting from now. ह्या वर्सा जावपाक दिवचे ना. आमी खंय कॅन्डल मार्च माझी बायलां येवची ना. माझे बायलां कॅन्डल मार्चाक येवची ना. आमी कॅन्डल मार्च घेवन हायकोर्टाच्या दाराक बसतली. I'm telling you, enough is enough. Enough is enough. We will sit as a high court if justice cannot be given by you.
And then your place also is Episcopal by the beach, 15, 16, 17, 18. All
Yes,
DJs.
my music goes down
Have you installed a sound monitoring station at your place?
That will be.
That you answer me first. You answer me and then you tell him we will take action against him. Your place has to be installed first.
Okay. The notices have just been sent to all the restaurants. Just been sent on the 22nd, I heard.
The thing has come on the 2nd of this thing. 13th of January 2022. It is not something new. It has been told to you all 110 times. Have you installed at your place? Yes or no?
I'll tell you, ask the...
Yes or no?
I'm
asking you.
No, let me tell you. Pollution Control Board and Sakun kenna letter your restaurant tang pavlyat te poileita. Restaurant tang kenna letter your pavlyat from Pollution Control Board. The Pollution Control Board was supposed to send these letters to each and every restaurant. The day, and they have given certain timing, this I believe, days to install. So from the date of, if even my restaurant, from the date they have not this, then take action. Amka kaitna na. My
but you being an MLA, why have you not initiated first? Now by telling them we will take action against you, you should have put yours first. Then after you tell everybody else.
Yes, I got the Pollution Control Board and Sakon letter.
So till that time you all will continue blasting?
Are my restaurant, my club. After 10 o'clock.
Yours is the club. Why you got DJs over there? If yours is a restaurant, I have got the thing here. I have got it here.
Listen, mine is a restaurant, mine is not a club. Listen, no, let him talk. I have nothing against him. Mine is a restaurant, and we have such restaurant. No, he has full right. He has something against my restaurant. I have no problem. Listen, guy. सगळ्या रेस्टॉरंटांनी हे घालूंक जाय आणि आफ्टर 10 o'clock my music goes off or my music the restaurant
if you say you're the restaurant why you got DJ
listen to me you listen to me I've heard enough from you
I am listening to you
after 10 o'clock the music from my restaurant goes at a listening pleasure. We don't blast and tell me if any complaint has come from y'all or anybody regarding my restaurant.
I have made complaints here to this thing in the night time at 4 a.m. Ask him whether he has taken any action.
Regarding
at 4 a.m. not your restaurant.
Now you are talking about my restaurant.
I am talking about your restaurant because you are not installed. You are having DJs over there. You have got DJs.
I agree, Baba. Because my restaurant. Now, uloni naga. Teje to. Nausa kite to. Maja restaurant tan music slow jata. I would not say bond जाता because I really don't know, but स्लो जाता आणि लोक उलयतात ते सारखे स्लो जाता आणि आयज पासून कोणाचेच कंप्लेन माझ्या रेस्टॉरंटाचेर आहात जाल्यार सांग. तू हांव हांगा हे करपाक येवंक ना. अरे माझ्या रेस्टॉरंटाचेर आयज पासून माझे रेस्टॉरंट आणि आफ्टर 10 o'clock we put the music very very slow for listening pleasure. If you have made any complaint regarding my restaurant, you tell.
मॅडम त्याचे आसगांवात कितें चलता ते चलोनी हांगा पयलीं अंजुनचे लोक येयला तो चलो.
तू आतां खंयचो आसगांवचो?
आसगांवचो.
राव. तू आतां आसगांवचो जाल्यार बरो आहा, तू येयला बरो आहा. This is regarding Anjuna Bagator, Shapora area.
Why do you think I have come here? Do you know how far I can hear the music? Do you know how far I can hear the music? Do you want to come to my place and listen to the music?
Baba,
come and listen.
Yes, listen. आता तुम्ही
तिच्या रेस्टॉरंटाचे आयकोंक येयलें म्युझिक तुमकां?
कोणाचे?
तिच्या रेस्टॉरंटाचे तुका आसगांव आयकोंक येयलें?
I don't have my restaurant.
ना तिच्या रेस्टॉरंटाचे आयकोंक येयलें तुमकां?
Madam, see, there a major amount of noise is coming from Ozran. If this noise is shut, definitely I'll be able to hear us.
अरे बाबा,
Definitely I'll be able to hear us.
तेकाच लागून आमी हांगा येयल्यात. मुय तरी चालू करूया. Me and
You told no last time use wireless headphones, so what has happened now ever
That's
since?
why we are coming here. Last time it couldn't be done. That's why we are coming here.
मॅडम
That's why we are
बाहेर ब्रिफिंग
Why? I don't come. I'm also from Anjuna.
अरे तू कोणी गेले म्हटलं माहिती पण लागू नका तोंडाक लागू नका पहिली तुका सांगता नकल बसू नका माझ्या
सर बोल रहा
Not talk.
बोल रहा
भाऊ
बोल
शानपण आलं
Pardon me?
मासा उलोवपाक सांगला तेन्ना
Okay. Okay. Fine enough. Fine enough.
Let us finish up or let us put a
what rubbish.
Don't, why are you threatening? I have a right to speak. I'm also from Anjuna.
And I will be here at the police station. If anybody wants to come, they can come. I will be here. And they have my number. They can call me at the police station.
Why tonight if the music still plays, we'll be all coming.
Because
See,
before previously
tonight,
we had been-
I मजा है.
Because last night it was.
मजा है. Tonight, if the music still playing after 10, you all come here. I will be here.
Because when we call
we
yours.
last-
ना, I will be here. I'm तुका आता सांगता on camera. It will be close. It will be close. I will be here.
Okay, nice. Yes.
Yes.
Nice, thank you. Because last all these years we've been coming, whole year we've been coming here. Last year has
And
not
madam
done
clearly
anything.
said she is bothered about the health. You know how many people have died within that area? Huh? Did I give
See, I am
show in
only
the
additional charge over here.
death certificates?
I am now-
We when you came first, we came. After that also the music was being played. We came to you. We have come to you when you took charge here.
I send you to DYSP and we booked 2 cases also.
The DSP didn't even meet us when we came here.
We see after I came, I booked 2 cases. I booked cases on that Noah and I booked cases on Arpora one Burj by Romeo Lane. Okay.
What about
But still the
rides?
music is going on.
What about rides? What about rides?
If there is music, I will book a case on them also.
They've already been asked to
Go
shut down. I sent you the videos.
See, whatever is there, reply.
I've given you the videos. I made a written
If
complaint.
there is any violation, I will
Written
book a-
complaint I have given you.
If there is any violation, I will book a case. Okay.
So when we call also, when the music is going on and if we call 112, they will ask us from where you are calling, who are you, what is your name, where are the clubs, as if they don't know where are the clubs in
The
Osran.
112 which you call, the call
Then
doesn't
we
go
call
there.
in Anjuna police
no, it
also.
doesn't, the call goes to
Even
pending.
we call Anjuna police station.
होय आता तुका कितें प्रॉब्लेम आहा न्हू आयज
Sir,
फोन
केलें.
जायना आयज फोन जायना तूं फाल्यां यो आनी म्हाका हें
But ह्या आधी आम्ही इतले कॉल करताली आयज and full week and last
No.
week. Nobody was answering.
तुका आयच्यान बंद घालता That is-
आता मॅडम आयल्या म्हणून आयच्यान
ना,
पण
मॅडम
काय ऐकूच नाही.
मॅडम येयला म्हणून काय ना आम्ही केसी बुक केल्या तेंचे कळ्ळें हेच्या पयलीं केसी बुक केल्या
Those who don't have the noise monitoring stations, you shut them down. It's not before
You don't have to
after
tell.
10. Okay, fine.
So what about
Fine.
nine bar? And
Fine.
9 bar is playing from 9 a.m.
all
PM
all
to
all
9
all all
Yeah, it's
all
showing the posters that
everything will be everything will
We have already put a
Everything will be
complaint
shut down.
yesterday.
Been put up near my house.
I have
Everything will be
requested
shut
one
down.
complaint letter to you with the posters.
everything will be shut
And they even don't have consent letter.
It is in the vehicle.
These are the posters they have been displaying.
All
This
yeah, I
is
know.
inverted to you yesterday.
Yeah, I have seen this. All videos.
There is no consent also.
That's how you look at them, sir.
No, I have seen this. I have seen that. They are inverted. Makodat te invert kutta it comes to me. Okay.
Because they don't even have ma'am consent to operate. You can see the names. I have from the pollution control board. This club, some of them.
आणि कन्सेंट टू ऑपरेट ना म्हणून त्यांची सील करून ना
करून ना इथले अजून चालू हल्ले मॅम. This was taken on the March.
पण ह्याचं नावान नसते ना ते आपल्या ओन नावावर घेतात.
It was not changed.
Vamos. इको ते vamos केला. And rate ते happen.
See, again, I would like to this. We are not against. I mean, we want tourists. That tourism is the backbone of our economy. Is the backbone. Mining, mining and tourism, both these things. But there is a certain limit to what the residents can take. And understood, no? The health of our residents come first. And people, my humble appeal to our CM is form that club policy. ना जाल्यार या आमच्या पंचायतींकूय कळना कितें ते रेस्टॉरंट काय या म्हणून क्लब ते रेस्टॉरंट म्हणून दितात ते क्लब व्हडल्यान हें करतात आनी 10च्या उपरांत म्युझिकूय स्लो करून 2 वर्सां आमी हांगा एक राउंड मारतात. So this year I also brought press to show that we are very serious about this matter. We also don't this tourism again. There should be balance in everything. आणि आमच्या सीएमान क्लब पॉलिसी हाडूंकूच जाय, बेग्याच्या बेग्यान हाडूंक जाय. आणि for now, whoever wants to this, I mean, have it properly, do it properly. Don't disturb the health and mental state of our residents. We restaurant पयस असतात आणि लोकांक त्रास जायना. Nobody is interested in those restaurants, but especially my Wagator area. Look, it's a residential area, and the music goes on and on and on at such a decibel. I don't know, 65 is allowed. It goes to that extent. For the Santa that should not be. That will not be tolerated when I am the MLA. And for the third, it is आता तेका लागून आमी डिसेंबरान येवंक जाताले, पूण हे म्युझिक चालू जातले and the season starts now. That's why I'm come the very first day. And my request, humble request,
I will do it, madam.
Don't let my people, especially my ladies, they have been coming to my home. It is not right. आणि हे जायना जाल्यार आमी हाय कोर्टान वाचून वयतली. आणि we don't want any restaurants to be sealed on this. हांव परते सांगता, म्हाका ती रेस्टॉरंटां खंयचीच सील आनी लॉक केल्ली नाका. तेंचे बिझनेस चलो
मॅम, इवन वी डोंट वांट.
कोणाकूच नाका, म्हाकाय नाका, आमच्या लोकांकूय नाका. कित्याक तेंचेच आमचे शेजारी ते, आमचे शेजारी कोण 2 रुपया जोडतात बिझनेसाचेर. तेणी कोणाक भाड्याक दिला नाल्यार आपले ओन बिझनेस केला. I mean, आपूण चलयतात. Nobody wants to seal. आताच आमचे रेस्टॉरंटां सील जावन अर्द्यांची ओपन जाल्यात, अर्द्यांची ओदी सीलूच उरलेली आहा. We know what they are going under. आणि आता ती सील जाल्यात बिकॉज ऑफ CRZ. आणि आता परते सील करूंक नाका आमकां तुमचे कोणाचेच बिझनेस बिकॉज ऑफ साऊंड. 10 पासून चालू दवरात त्याच्या उपरांत ते हेडफोन घालूंक जाय, घालात, इन्वेस्ट करात. Bring your music down to a level where it is, a person who is sitting on a table can converse with each other, and neighbors can go to sleep in peace. This is my humble request to all the restaurants in my Sholi area, Sholi constituency. आमकां नाका थंयसर हायकोर्टान वचपाक, कित्याक हायकोर्टान गेले थंयसर परते येतले, परते सील करतले. तुमचे आख्खे वरोस आमकां खबर आहा अजुनूय अर्द्यांची बावड्यांची सील आहा बिकॉज ऑफ CRZ. आतां पोल्युशन येतले, हायकोर्ट वील दिस द पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड अगेन टू सी. We don't want your places to get sealed. This is our bread and butter.
Since they are having these parties and all, we should see their parking space.
Yeah, parking also biggest problem.
Our children can't reach to college.
Here 9 bar area, Alcove area, it's really a big problem.
My daughter was reaching late to college because of she goes by the bus. The tempo travels comes to take. In the 9 bar, they couldn't pass the car.
We have to change the whole route only now.
The car to pass.
And they keep a board, 9 bar board with a light outside on the road showing the people that 9 bar is ahead club.
होय बाबा, माझे रिक्वेस्ट माझे रिक्वेस्ट पंचायतीकूय की नेक्स्ट टाइम तुम्ही रेस्टॉरंट लायसन्स दितात तेन्ना पार्किंग हुंय हा रे भाशे करात म्हणून सांगात तांकां. I understood. No, it is always in coordination with this.
Not only parking, the problem is त्यांची आता रेस्टॉरंट ठिकाण नाही, रस्त्यार हाडून मेस घालून बसतात. That is completely not in the same rostar.
From 80s and 70s, some of us we have been running places here, but we have not disturbed our neighborhood.
We had such a nice time at that time. Now only these days.
We know what is tourism, how we want tourists, but this is not.
Even European, they don't want to come here because it's noisy. They want to come for a peace.
I remember last year, guest had come at her restaurant. The roof was kind of this.
She had to close the restaurant.
They just moved out from a restaurant. We cannot eat their food no longer.
She had to close the restaurant and sit. What we can do? We are the starting people who started restaurant businesses here, and now we have to close, and outsiders are coming and taking over.
But this is happening mostly now. All outsiders they are running it, and they don't know concept no katte. आम्ही local जाणार कोणाक चिमटो काढला दुखतेले कितें. तर mostly they are from outside. They don't think of this. Knowledge उना काय की टुरिस्ट येता कितें. टुरिस्ट खाली नाचोकूच येना हांगा. टुरिस्ट आपले एन्जॉयमेंट बीच येतात, रिलॅक्स करपाक येतात. दे डोंट थिंक, दे थिंक ओनली वी नीड. आता तुम्ही पळयतले स्वतः इतले टुरिस्ट येतात, रुमा सगळ्याचे खाली. दे डोंट स्टे हियर, दे स्टे समवेअर ओनली टू मेक डान्स अँड मेक होल नॉइज. नाईट टाइम दे कम हियर. सो दिस शुड बी समथिंग वी हॅव टू स्टॉप दॅट.
And then access to the beach is not there. All the clubs have taken over the access. What is the halat ho raha hai?
Because let us use the way.
The sustainable tourism is not there. It is only all noise tourism.
फायदो कोणाक ना, फायदो फकत फायदो म्हणजे ते कितें करून येता पळय तांकांच ते. दॅट इज ओनली थिंग.
And madam, it is only in small Wagah.
Why mostly small Wagah?
Yeah, it is not in full Goa. Only in small Wagah.
All the clubs are coming in small Wagah because nobody is listening to us. First of all, our PI has not taken any action on this.
The ex-PI.
The ex-PI, whoever, the PI who was in charge before. That's why we can't blame him. He just come, but the previous PI has not taken any action. We came so many times. Night time we used to be on the police station. Sitting here. We were sitting here for 1 hour, 2 hours, but no action was being taken. That's why we have no trust.
ट्रॅफिक काढला ते सगळे
Night time.
येलो पियर येलो.
बाबा यो रे
मॅडम
यो regarding the sound he will take care.
Yes.
आता कितें जाला पिसो ते हुंच्या रस्त्यार
9 bars, near 9 bars.
Near 9 bars. किशोर सोपविले त्यांचे ते हे असतात तिथले पार्किंग रस्त्यार लेट हिम हॅव हिज ओन पार्किंग लेट अ पार्किंग नॉट विथ द रोड इज नॉट फॉर पार्किंग आणि तिथलो स्ट्रेच पंचायत बाबा तुम्ही आमकां एक रेजोल्युशन दियात की नो पार्किंग हे करपाक झोन फ्रॉम हियर टू देर वेरेवर इज द पॉइंट या दे लेट दिनेश पाटील बाबा ते म्हाका हे दिया हांव करून हाडटा बट इट डजंट हॅपन ओवरनायट कळ्ळें बट तें रेजोल्युशन मार हांवूय नोट मारता ते हे करतले कितें ते भुरग्यांक पासून म्हणटा ते भायर सरोंक जायना घरांतले
Morning time.
Don't worry, क्या
7
दौड़ना?
o'clock
They can
से
park there and go. No, whatever it is parking, not on the.
Morning 7 o'clock the traffic is full. They can't go.
Because the
7 o'clock
music
the
starts
bus
from
full
9
bus
to
is
9 or 10 to 10 in the morning. That's why.
Yeah, so many
when the
times.
music has to stop at 10 o'clock it starts at 10 o'clock
It starts at 10 o'clock. From 9 to 9 in the morning.
No, हांव सांगता न्हू.
The signboards are put 9 to 9. You can see there will be one flyover there. But it was not.
चालेल मी सांगलं.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
So the boards has to be removed out. All the boards have been put up.
Which boards?
These only advertisements.
on the road
रस्त्याक सगळ्याक मारी टाकता.
आमच्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पोल आणि वयसर
ऐक रे ऐक बाबा तेणी ते घातले तो कोण करतो म्हणून अंडरस्टूड
बोर्ड काडपाचें.
बोर्ड काम काडपाचें काम तेंचे ते बोर्ड काडपाचें
But if
काम
it is
ऐक
disturbing the
रे
traffic,
बाबा
ma'am.
ऐक ट्रॅफिक तो पळयतो
No, if the board is like some boards are put that you can't see the other side of the road.
ते तुझो स्थानिक वॉर्ड मेंबर हा ताका दाखोय तो काडपाचें काम पंचायतीचें ते ट्रॅफिक पुलीस ना तेंचे ते तुझ्या स्थानिक वॉर्ड मेंबराक
No, it
धाड
just came, that's why I asked.
that is his duty let him remove from his end but the traffic he will see and
म्युझिक आहे.
music
So sir, please give us your number also. When there is traffic problem, we can contact you.
ठीक है मोबाइल काढा घ्या नंबर
Sir, number क्या sir?
मैं गया ना
787576269. She has no problems there. It is near her house.
Just give me a ring. I'll send somebody now only so that you can see that place. You will be able to show me the place. Then yeah.
4 आदमी लेके रिक्शा लेके सब बोर्ड निकालो रास्ते पर लगाए वो पार्टी का अभी काम नहीं वो काम करो और ये करो
कुबड़े पार्टी के मस
अभी भेजो 4 आदमी पूरा बोर्ड निकालो अरे आदमी करो रे बुलाओ मैं आता हूँ जरा
okay
Yes.
yeah
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ वो हाँ टॅक्सीचो इशू
आपल्याला मध्ये
एका फोन बद्दल
Thank you very much.
मैम लाइव चालू आहे.